Okay. Hi. Good afternoon. Good evening, and good day. Today is October 19. Hope you guys is doing good and good to be back here in this. How are you? Yeah. How's your weekend? How's your week? How's your day? Yep. Okay. So today, we're doing a technical analysis on gold and euro. So yeah. So there's a lot excitement moves for the past few days. So there's a lot of opportunities buy and selling on the market. Yes, if you monitor for the past weeks, so that's the gold is still continuing uptrend. So there's a lot of excitement movement on gold and euro. Of course, in any gold, the gold still strengthening and the dollar still weak on the other side. All right. So we are now we go in depth market analysis compare on the past weeks. So I including more in the technical analysis, not only the resistance and support. So right now, so we are on the daily movement of gold. Okay, screen time on daily movement of gold. All right, so let us check what happening for the past few days. So if you remember last week, um, my immediate target is 1900. Now it's already broken. Now it's 1951. Okay, at the end of the week. So which is 1951. So closely on 2000 levels. Okay, so yep, put here um, right now here the levels right now is 1951. uh, High for the day is 1962. So by the way, the high yesterday, which is 1962, okay, that is the high yesterday, and the low yesterday is 1923, which is $39 movement. Okay, it's a huge uptrend. If you have a position one lot, you have already a profit. Yes, almost $40,000. Yeah, yeah, it's a huge money in one day yesterday because of the uh, continuing the tension on the Israel. Um, so based on my study here, still going up, then there's a possibility if we'll see the 2000 level. Okay, 2000. Yeah. Okay. There's a possible we broke the all-time high this year last May, which is 2079. So go on here. This is the all-time high of the gold. 2079 closely to 2080. Okay. But if you can see on the monthly uh, frame, of course, there's a triple top, so which is signals for a sell, but there's a possible, so anything possible because the market is unpredictable, and not only unpredictable and also crazy. Well, if there's a economic event like the current event right now in Middle East. Okay, so just be careful, but right now still the momentum is still on the bullish trend. Okay, so just be careful on the sell. Okay, So just use your risk management, which is the stop loss. All right. Okay. So now I will put more in-depth indicators. Okay. All right. So this is a sim. Uploading the lines. Oh, okay. All right. So thank you for the waiting because the indicators delaying to upload. All right. Okay. This is a clearly view of indicators. Okay. So yep. So this is a clear view of indicators. So for the past few days, based on the daily time frame, there's signals for the buying. Okay. So here, which is on last Friday. Friday went up, which is signal for the buy. So if you can see, still continuing uptrend until now. So almost end of the week. So tomorrow is Friday, and almost end of the week, the momentum is still on the bullish. So yeah. So if you can see, so there's no signal on the in the other hand, which is the sell. Okay, so more on the buying signals. All right, so if you can see, if we can put a target like this, so long position here from starting last week, how many target profit that we made there. Yeah, there. Okay, so last Friday, so which is the low is around 1867, today is around 1956. So the range between that levels, which is target is 85, so almost $100 or 1000 pips. Okay, so we can if you put last week put a one full standard lot, you earn as of today at least $100,000 profit. Yeah, so no signals for selling, just continuing on the buying side, but be careful. Keep on eye if you have a position on the buy, but anything can possible to be a technical sell off. So might be like the tension subside, become there's a solution between the war, so might be there's a technical sell-off. So just be careful, just keep on updating the news, so that's to aware of what's happening on the market. Okay, so there's a lot of here on the markets. You can see there's position sell for the past week. So yep, so buy, but recently most of the time is going up. Okay, there you go. So this is a daily time frame. So daily time frame, bullish trend, then change to lower time frame, like 4 hours. So let's see. remove. Okay, so just be clear. So okay, then take another indicators. Okay. All right. Okay, this one is for 4 hours time frame. It, okay, so if you can see, level still a bullish also on the 4 hour time frame. So yep, so there's a small percent on the short or selling position. Just keep on position on buying. So yep, okay, so if we can see that, yeah, still continuing on the trend going up. So yep, I believe more on the trend is more on the buying. So yeah, also on the 3 hours, still on the trend going up. 2 hours, let's see. Okay, so in 2 hours, yes, still the momentum is still bullish. So there's a possible slow chance of sell, but for me, be a confident trading. So just put a buying on these assets gold. Okay, so yep, so still on the other time frame, 1 hour. So okay, this is my favorite time frame, 1 hour, because I'm liquidate right away here. Yes. Okay, so yep, the momentum still go up, but here if I give me a chance to put a position right now to do a scalping or to do a day trading, so I saw the minor resistant at the level here. Okay, okay, so maybe I put a selling position around here. Okay, then my only target, this is my only target here. Yeah, that level. So I sell at around 1954 or 1955, then my immediate target is around 1948 or 1950. Okay, if we put one lot at that level, so if we can grab those opportunity, so we profit around almost 4,000 to $5,000. All right, but don't leave on the selling position takes long, because um, because the okay, because the selling side is more, be cautious on the selling side, because because right now still the momentum is still on the bullish trend. Okay, so just be careful, but if you look like bored and waiting for the right time to entry, so maybe there's a opportunities. There's a slim position on the sell, but be careful. Okay, so for me, maybe my suggestion is just retrace at the level at maybe here. So I put a buying position at around 1950, then I leave it there. Okay, so especially tomorrow, by the way, tomorrow we have high impact news. So because Federal Chairman Jerome Powell speech, so expect the market will move. Okay, expect the market will move, not only the gold and most of its more major currencies. Okay, by the way, when I started on my journey on the trading as a financial trader, my first chairman, once I am board in trading, which is Alan Greenspan. For me, the others for the past 15 years in my trading, so which is Alan Greenspan and Janet Yellen, and also the recent right now is Jerome Powell. For me, my observation on those on the previous and the current chairman, which is my most powerful speech, which is Alan Greenspan compare on Yellen in Powell, because I remember Alan Greenspan just expression like look like the market the market will spike. Okay, that how Alan Greenspan powerful that time. Okay, so for me, Jerome Powell is not powerful on the speech, but be careful, traders. But be careful traders on Alan Greenspan on the speech, because there's a collaboration of the update on the economic of the US, and also on how give a solution on to help on the Israel. To of course one of this is to save and secure the innocent people there. So that's the target of the US. All right. So in update based on the Bloomberg, okay, this is a 4,200 died on the war. So it's a huge amount of casualties right now. So I'm hoping we will end soon. Yep. So but there's a lot of opportunities on the financial markets. So especially on the affected on the USD or the dollars, all right? Like gold, all right? So now we look at the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, still there. So if you can see, sideways, okay, sideways here, sideways. Okay, so you can play around that zone. You can play around this zone, but be careful. Anything possible can happen. Okay. Alright, so play around this zone. If you think right now is safe. So for me, the time is here in my country. So for past fours, for me, the Eurozone is for me it's a safety to trade. But be careful on the once the market, US markets open. Okay, just be careful on the US market opens. Especially tomorrow, there's a high impact news. So just be careful, guys. All right. Okay, so let's recap on the monthly. All right. Okay. So, okay, on monthly, still on bullish side. So if you can see the last candlestick, the recent candlestick is going uptrend. So going uptrend, which is here. Okay, so there's a game changer. That the economic news, the economic event right now is a game changer for all of those the forex major currencies, especially on the gold. So yeah, so triple tap. Triple tap, but there's possible to break once once we'll see the 2000 level. So there's a lot of investors, traders that that levels broke that levels, then new record the all-time high for the gold. Once that happened, if that broke, so there is no resistance up there, so open air, so we don't know what price will be stopped again if those three will broke. Okay, so again, we don't know if the all-time high, which is 2079 or 2080, broke. So there's a possible to broke that level, but be careful on that side. Might be again, so yeah, might be happen will be need create more another tap. So once hold on that level of 2079, so just like creating here. Right. Okay, so might be another create another. So this is very rare if happens, which is support triple top if hold at that level. So this is very rare. So this is the first time will happen in the gold if it happens. So yeah. So if it's happened, so there's a strong bearish movement if that happened. Okay, so another downtrend, so back again. Other side. If that broke that level, so we will see the higher price. So for now, the strong resistance right now on the gold side is around 1962, and the next level is 1980, and then the possible once the 1980 broke, so we will see a clearly path for 2011 of the gold. So there's a lot of anticipate that level. Hi Sir Bill, how are you? Hi Sir Tao. Yeah, okay. If the war stops, will gold return to the 1,800 immediately? Okay, so we will answer Sir Bill. Okay, for me Sir Bill, yes, possible, but not immediately, Sir Bill. But not immediately. Maybe it takes a week before go to 1,800. So because there's of course there's a consideration, which is there's a lot of high impact use that release, so maybe favorable on the gold on that. So which is maybe slowly but surely, but we will go to the 1,800 at that level. Okay, for now. Okay, so hoping that the war stops, because there's a lot of innocent people affected. Okay, so Sir, was chance of reach by the war? Yes, definitely. Yes. Actually, there's a lot of investors, there's a lot of traders right now. Once you read the news for the past few weeks, they can leave a buying position starting the start of the war. So let's see here. see how many pips or dollars range since the war started. Daily 4 hours. So how many pips since the war started? 4 hours. Okay. All right. So let us check how many dollars or pips move since the war started. Let us check. Okay. All right. Here, there you go. All right. Okay. See? Okay. All right. Thank you for reminder, Sir Eric. Okay. Thank you for reminder, Sir Eric. All right. Okay. So if you can see, okay, if you can see the trend since the war started, yeah, this is a huge jump of the gold. It's a huge jump from 1833 or 1836 level here at here. So, yep. So, let us 19 1833 then 1962. Okay. So, from the start of war, which is $129 movement, so which is if you put a position on once the start of war, you have already a $129,000, just only one full lot starting today. If you have a position on gold, yeah. So we still continue on the bullish side, on the went up, but just be careful. There's a resistance here, but if I give a suggestion, I'll go on by 1950 or 1945 level. So just for the safe and look for the lower price. Then we anticipate the price went up the gold. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so that's the momentum. The gold still continuing uptrend. So very exciting asset on the gold. Actually, uh, most of my co-traders na never sleep to trade the gold. More because of the volatility. Because this is very rare happen. There are a lot of opportunities in this financial market. Not only the gold, not also in the other currencies. So yeah, okay. So do you have any questions about gold? So we can I can answer before we go another assets, which is the Euro USD. All right, so yeah, okay. But if you remember, if you have questions about the gold, so just comment below. Then I will get back to you. All right. Okay, so now we go to the Euro USD, one of my favorite currencies, of course. All right. Okay. So for our we go to the higher time frame before we go to the lower time frame. Okay, so let us check the okay. All right. Okay. So based on monthly time frame, the momentum is still on the bullish. Bullish momentum still on the Euro USD. So up there, so some consolidate sideways here. So okay, but this month, okay, if you see the last candlestick, if you see the last candlestick, which is there's a week from there, so with from the 1.04466, then went back to 1.0 to 1.05232. So there's if continue and will back to green on this candlestick, so might be go on a bullish trend. But if you look at this pattern, okay, there's a look at this, which is, are you familiar with the candlestick, hammer? So there's a signal for going downtrend. So there's a uh, we call this the momentum on bearish, which is the strong momentum downward. So the momentum uh, on the monthly for the past 3 months in the Euro USD, which is downtrend. Okay, so one of the reason, of course, the war of the Israel. So still the euro downtrend. Then is no clear pathway to put a long term on the buying side of the month. Okay, so if we can put a ghost feed, so this happened. So let's see. So yeah, there you go. So there's a strong resistance at that level, which is 0.97. So now I'm not anticipated for this year went down at this level. So because it's too deep, maybe next year, but there's possible. But this is a huge movement if will happen. Yeah. Okay, so this is my recommendations for a monthly on a Euro USD. So which is more on bearish on Euro USD. So we'll take a look on the lower time frame, like 1 week. So let's see. So allow me to delete my messy drawing. Okay, all right. So clearly the trend is bear market. Okay, the trend is bear market on a weekly basis. So yep, so holding on the support at that level at around 10.54 level. So for me, if I do right now, maybe I put a buying position, but don't leave take too much long. Okay, so if you profit at least $100 or more than 100 or $500, then you liquidate your profit, because buying is not safe on the Euro USD. Okay, all right. So if you think enough on your profit, take liquidate and look for another opportunity. So maybe if the trend reverse and then look for going up. So let's see. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Okay. So that will happen if hold on the support level. So that will, if possible, went back again at this time. Okay. Okay. All right. Yes. Yes, Sir Tony. So there's a possible. Yes, possible, Sir Tony. We will go up. Euro will go up. So if hold on this level of support. So for the meantime, we will wait and see. So what happens for the next few hours, or especially tonight, and once open the US market. Of course, tomorrow there's a big news, Jerome Powell's speech. So again, Jerome Powell's speech about the update on US economy, and of course, the solution on what happening on the Israel. So expect the market will move. Okay, so around, so there's a lot of traders, of course, investors, excited to see the move, to see Jerome Powell, what he will say on the speech tomorrow. Okay, so yeah. Okay, as you wish, Sir Tony. Okay, I will use a Fibonacci. Okay, Sir Tony, may I ask what time frame do you want? Sir Tony, may I ask what time frame do you want to see to use the Fibonacci? So yeah. Okay. Maybe I will get I will use on the daily time frame on Fibonacci. Okay. Any. All right. All right. Sir Tony. Picture out clearly on the Fibonacci. So okay. Okay. So there you go. All right. Okay. Sir Tony. So based on Fibonacci, which is almost on the strong support level, which is here. Here. Here the support level. So I'll make drawing for a while. So you can see here support. Okay. All right. So right now, the current price, the spot price of Euro USD is play around 1.05343. So the support level is around 0.52. So there's a possible happen tonight will be deep again on the strong support. Okay, so we will try the price dig in at this level of another strong support at around 1050 level. So here. here at the box. Okay. So there's a possible will happen tonight or maybe tomorrow. It depends on the news. Will be dropped on this level, but there, please consider there's a possible uh, uh, uh will be uptrend, but the momentum is still on the bearish side of selling. Okay, so on the resistant level, there's is a support here at the level of around 1.053. So if you can see, just play here for the past few hours, play here at that level, then not break. So if this breaks, so back right away, then play with the zone again. So here, this is a safety zone for scalping, for doing at least a little more profiting. So just, but don't forget the risk management. So this is a play around here. So you can play on the resistance. You put a selling position. Then if you see the price deep on the support, you can play on the buying side, but be careful, just be observed once the price deep on the support and resistance. So don't uh, trade your plan before you enter. So once you see the price went there, so don't right away execute that. Just be observed at least 1 hour or 30 minutes. Then if you think establish the strong support or resistance, you can put you can put our entry the position on the on that levels. All right, okay, yeah, Sir Tony, clear based on the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so any time frame if you want. So all right, so okay, so let us check the other if correlated. So let us check the RSI. So if I'm here, so what if recognize here? So okay, so for now, if you can see the RSI means relative strength index, so which is it include overbought and oversold trend of market. So yeah, so for now is the middle. So based on the RSI, this is not a trading, this is not a trading entry zone because we're on the middle of the price. So if you can see here, yeah, here, so sideways. So both lines not signals clearly for went up or downward. All right, so only on the middle. So no trading zone for the meantime for the Euro USD as of the moment. Okay, so yeah, I'm correct. So I'm correct. So there is no clearly position. So waiting for the resistance and support to entry the market. All right, okay. So any questions, Sir Tony, or anyone, traders? Okay, so we'll see on the lower time frame. So let us see. So yeah, 4 hours. I will remove the drawings. All right, so we can look for another. Okay, so we check on another indicators, which is okay. So based on the indicator, which is the super trend. Okay, so if you look the volume, still on the downtrend, okay, which is same as Fibonacci and RSI, still on the downtrend, but not clear on the bullish side. So on the super trend, yeah, still on downtrend momentum. So yep, so yeah, so you can see the short entry around there. So I will short entry, so there's a short entry. Yeah, if you can see, yeah, short entry. So since yesterday, short or selling position. So but of course there's support at this level. So maybe we wait for the broke at this level. So we'll see the possible here on the Euro USD. Here my watch list, and yeah, so still continuing downtrend. So waiting for the great opportunity to down. So maybe waiting for the news, or waiting for the incoming news. So which what happened, make another bomb or another great events. So maybe the price will be pulled down again. All right. Okay. So yep, monthly. So let us check on monthly. Okay, so yeah, don't need to put indicators because clearly the path will go down. Okay, stay again around here. But this is not possible. Uh, Went down at 0.97s, maybe around the end of the year, maybe not this month, but you can hold here. So yeah, still downtrend on the Euro USD. So okay, so just I will give some analysis on the crypto. Do you want crypto? So give a quick recap. So do you trade the crypto? Bitcoin. So yeah. So let us check. So what's happening on Bitcoin right now? So it's additional. So I know some of you trading Bitcoin, yeah. So by the way, Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies not much affected on the happening uh, on the tension on the Israel. It is a purely technical analysis on the digital assets. So more on technical assets. So don't expect too much volatile once there's another great events coming. So look at this. So not much movement for the past few weeks. Even there's a tension. So yeah. So this is more on technical aspects. All right. So based on the crypto, all right. So for me, this is a weekly time frame. So for the past few weeks, so of course, every candlestick reflect 1 week. For the past weeks, which is sideways. Yeah, sideways only for the past few weeks. So yeah, so it's a safety trading on this box. You can put as a sell on this top. Okay, on this support. So simple as that. Play in the zone. Plays in the zone in the box. Okay, so don't be afraid if another bomb coming, if there's another economic events coming. So the crypto will not directly affected on happenings on the war. All right, if you want to play safety. So just play around here. Okay. So for me, based on my experience here, okay. So if it if we ask if we'll go back the all-time high, which is 68 within this year, uh maybe not, maybe not. So maybe if Elon Musk uh give a statement about the Bitcoin, so might be another all-time high. So Elon Musk right now is still quiet on what's happening. So may focus on it. I believe there's a focus on the new invent, the like a Tesla, what you call it, the new Tesla car, and the phone, which is upgraded, like high high upgrade compare on the iPhone. So I don't know, that's the rumor. So maybe, so no major no major eh, testament on the CEO of the Tesla, which is the Elon Musk. So which is, this is the weekly. So just play around there, and your trade is safety. So which is, yeah, that's only the Bitcoin. Okay. Do you have any questions or any additional questions? So if you want more assets, just we'll give you a quick recap. All right. Or maybe okay. Okay, so actually, that's why I include the crypto, because some of my position is in the crypto. So no need no need always monitor on the Bitcoin, because does not affect the events. Okay, so it's safety, safety trading. Yeah. So if you change to the more major currencies like GBP, USD, JPY, of course, expect more volatile market. All right. But for me, if you want excitement trading, which is go on the gold, just only the gold. Right. For me, for you, if more exciting movement, just go on the gold. Just be careful on your trading, because uh this one is a very risky, but it's a passive income for all of us. Okay, for all of us, this is a passive income. This is one of my another source of income. So of course, so we need this alternative business, because if you put a business, so I rather to open an account on the forex, on this kind of business. Okay, so because this is a hassle free. So all you want is internet connections, and you have an account and a broker, then we will you will get another source of income. So as long as you have a right educations, right trading plan, and right behavior skills on the on the, on the trade, so you will get there slowly but surely, but you get there to one of the top um, you know top earnings in the forex market. Okay, just believe in yourself, just be confident on your trading plan. Don't give a don't be doubting on yourself. Okay, you might be wrong. So once you have do a trading plan on your account, go right away. And before we wrap up our lives forex trading, any questions? Any questions? All right, so maybe We all of our traders are goods. So by the way, thank you. Thank you for all of you. Thank you to all. Thank you, Sir Tony, and and the other on the view, Sir Tao, yeah, Sir Bill. Thank you everyone, and I'm looking forward for another session next week. So let us review again on what's happening for the past few weeks. So starting today and by next week, so we will review and hoping all of you that all of you make money on the market. All of you make a good and happy trading in the forex market. Okay? Not only me, I want you to be a profitable traders. All right? Okay? All right. Thank you very much and may the pips be with you. All right. Bye for now.